In other words, these little toy cars seem to have got the better of them. All right, party people. So one of the things I had on my agenda today was to do an inventory of my Hyper 7 for this little refresh I'm doing on it. And I won't go into all the gory details. My God, I've got a lot of parts. To put it into context, these A-arms right here, this is maybe a quarter of them. This box over here is full of A-arms. Then we got things like caster blocks. You don't want me to, I promise. This back. Initially, I came to an important decision, and that is, as far as the shocks are concerned with this vehicle, I'm going with the 12mm. These are the ones that come with the Pro, the PCR, the PBS. I think it was the TQ Sport where they started with the 14mm. And there's a lot of reasons, I'll get into that another day, but...
Hear ye, hear ye.
The Nitro Sears officially support and recommend the 12mm shocks for the Hyper 7. And then we have diffs. And I'm currently right now building the 12th differential today. That's right. Somehow, for some reason, I got in the zone today, and next thing I know, I'm suddenly working on my 12th differential today.
That buggy can't handle that LRP.
Now, this is something that I'll discuss in our little epilogue in this video, but for now, let's do an unboxing. Crazy durable. Now, a little word of warning. I don't really do sexy unboxings anymore. Most of my shit is pretty much just, need, things like that, but as an example, I've got some gaskets, because I have new engines coming. Gaskets are of utmost importance. In fact, if you take a look here at one of the ones I was running, there is no way in hell that I would run something like this, because I can't tune an engine with a gasket like this. Even the smallest imperfection causes major havoc. Additionally, I got some bearings for some Losi engines. Got front bearings and some main bearings. Speaking of Losi, I also got myself yet another of the Losi B0819 servos. I think I have about 20 of these now. They are good, reliable, inexpensive, as in $3 servos. Additionally, I got some engines this week coming in, so at different times. I got, the P5, as you can see here. And I also got a ProTech engine, which is one of those LS5s. And I think it's supposed to be a competitor of maybe the Nova P5, maybe the Works B5, who knows. But we'll see how it is. And then I got another one of those.
That Roma.
So two that I'm very familiar with, and one that I'm not. That's how we do it. We got some other boring ass stuff here. Let's see what we got. So I got some air filter foams here. These are, I consider, MDX style. Next, on any of the vehicles I have that are no longer in circulation, I stock up on parts that are unique to that vehicle and or are a possible point of failure. The wing stay is one of them for the Hyper 7. In fact, it's the only one I can think of. Even then, out of all the gallons I've had with the Hyper 7, I've only had two that have bent, one to the point where it actually affected another part, and the other one didn't affect anything. So here what we're looking at are more parts for the Hyper 7, shock shafts, some toe blocks, some O-rings for the shocks, there's some engine blocks, etc. These are typically parts that I'll find on sale and I can always use them. There's some diff housing, there's a new collet for the Mugstar 2.8. There's some steering post bushings, very eclectic group of items, but again, shit that I could use. There are some shock boots that I'll actually use on the 12mm off the shocks. They fit perfectly. More shock shafts. There are some A-arms for the Losi. There's a new Losi clutch system for my A2.0. Whole bunch of shit. You'll see. You can just watch. I'm tired of talking.
LRP gets bought off the line.
We don't. Alright, I know a lot of you are waiting for my reaction video to Old Zilla SS97. I get it. I actually did the reaction today. I watched that video. Let me put it to you like this.
I don't please turn on my fingers.
I know you guys want to know. You won't learn shit on that whack ass phone.
Trust me on that one.
I'm a pirate. Biatch.
That awful buddy dominating LRP gets bought off the line.
We don't.
I'm a pirate.
Running like little sissies. Really? I don't mean to sound all that dramatic. But damn. Some of y'all are just real scary individuals. Off the record. One thing that I really laugh about with his flatline bash. What I'm saying is that these flatline bashers, I think their vehicles live rent free in their head. In other words, these little toy cars seem to have got the better of them. That's kind of fucked up. You see, anyone who has rocked with my channel, they'll tell you it's all about harnessing that power. Otherwise, the power, it owns you. What? You gonna let the power control you? Once again, I laugh at you car guys who just can't figure it out.
That's fucked up.
Most people can't figure it out. But it's funny to see you Insta experts struggling, faking it.
Right off the line. That buddy can't handle that LRP.
You know. Hey, Jam Racer 1. Really, have you ever wondered, after all these years, why you still can't tune? That's fucked up. Oh, I'm dead. Alright, so forgive me background noise. It's 4:30 a.m. I'm actually grocery shopping. Got my nice days mixed up, of course. But I'll leave you with clips of some of the differential building I did today. Specifically, I just finished the third song of my album, which you can access on that web blog of mine. Go to my songs. I'll post the song up the next day or so, but the songs that we call differentials. And the interesting thing about this song is an epic. It's 16 minutes long. I might play the whole thing. It's going to play clips of it, but it was actually completed in one take, and it was 100% ad hoc.